Hi guys, my name is Joe. I'm the sales manager here at Acklam Cars, and today I'm going to show you around this amazing Defender 110 that's just become available. It's a 2024 with only 8,000 miles on. It's the D250 XS edition. So let's start with the D250. That's a 3-litre diesel engine producing 250 brake horsepower. The XS edition, when it comes to trim level, is really up there because it gives you all the features like air suspension, heated seats, ventilated seats. You've got a heated steering wheel, and then it has fantastic detailing on the inside. But this particular car isn't a standard factory vehicle. You can see quite clearly it's had thousands and thousands spent on this car to make it look a bit more bespoke, a bit more sporty and a bit more aggressive. Now the Defender is a fantastic car on the road and absolutely amazing off-road. With the air suspension, you can do a lot more with it. But like I said, with this, it's the styling for me as well. So first of all, the colour is Santorini Black, which is a metallic black. You have got the black styling pack on it, which is the badges, the grills, the inserts. Now you might think, well, why do I need a black styling pack? Well, you don't. If you're buying a black car that looks quite sporty, all the black features just gives it a nice aggressive look, that big tank look about it. You've then got the glass piece in the headlights, which is the DRLs, LEDs, and you have got full LED headlights. Now you'll see that this section is somewhat different. First of all, it's all colour-coded because the XS as standard comes with silver trims here. But then around the fog lights, you've got the sort of blades, air brake as we call them. But then the actual fog light is completely different because they're not the fog lights you get from the factory. They're Fusion Blue LED fog lights, and they can cost a lot of money, somewhere around £1,200 to £1,500. You've then got the corner blades here as well, and then you have the full extended arch kit. 22-inch upgraded alloy wheels on this one, which look absolutely amazing because sometimes you get a car and it's got small wheels on and it just looks a little bit lost, and I think the bigger set of wheels fills the arches, off-road tyres, it looks ready to go. You've then got bonnet venting, side venting, the pod lights, which I've showed you before, work off a remote, comfort access, side steps and mud flaps. You've then got sun protection glass. But look inside, this car really does keep giving because you've got the full leather interior, the illuminated entry kick plate, electric memory seats. I mentioned the heated and ventilated seats. You've got the ambient lighting in the backdrop just here, full digital dashboard, cruise control, and then most importantly, you've got the tilt and sliding sunroof. You've got the centre armrest on the centre bridge, and this car also has a refrigerator. Also comes with 2 keys, wireless charging pads, and twin cup holders. Lots of charging stations around the vehicle. Another massive feature on this car, which is not a standard spec, is the car has a family pack. That means it's got 7 seats. Look at this. So first of all, in the middle row seats, they get their own third zone climate control, ISOFIX attachments, grab handles, lots of space for all your friends and family to join you on that journey. The car has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. It's not every day do you come across a car like this with the way of the styling and the practicality of the 7 seats. You've then got the rear spoiler here, a hardback spare wheel cover. You can't really tell because the engine is on. You know what, I'm going to turn it off so I can show you because it's quite expensive and it does look completely different when it comes to the back of the car. So you'll notice the rear lights are what we call the exclusive tail lights here, and they're clear. Normally on the Defender they're just red, but I think with it being a black car, that looks amazing. There is a third row seating, 6 and 7 seats. They are individual seats and they're very easy to use. You pull this one handle, that goes like that, so you can literally have it as a 6-seater. Same again with that one, and you can have it as a 5-seater. Them seats also go down, so you can have it like a transit van, literally. You've got the what we call the giraffe windows and the quarter panel at the top just there. That sliding roof is letting in so much light. The third row passengers have their own cup holders as well. Also they get nets on the side to store laptops or phones or anything. It just is a fantastic machine in the right colour combination, a tremendous amount of specification and only 8,000 miles. Now this car will go live like all our cars do. Hopefully after watching this video presentation you're going to go, you know what, I want a Defender, I want the extra seats and I want it to look really smart, really sharp, something a little bit different, not your box standard Defender. Well, this is where this comes into it. Now when you're driving this car, the first thing you'll notice when you start the engine is the 3-litre diesel engine. It's nice and quiet, very soothing, easy on the ears more than anything. But when you're driving the car, because I've driven so many of these, there's 0 turbo lag, the 250 brake horsepower is more than enough. Compare that to another similar sized vehicle, let's say any pickup, any vans, most SUVs on the road, they haven't got 250 brake horsepower, so this power to ratio has more than enough. And like I say, it's got that 3-litre diesel engine. It feels nice in your hands. You can sit low down if you want to, but I normally like my seating position to be high up. So then you're on top of the world and you can see every part of the bonnet and over it. And then when you're in here, you have the 360 camera system. Now some say I don't really need that, but I think everyone should have it. You've got every part of the car can be seen, no excuses to scuff, scratch the car or the wheels. Off-road camera system as well. Front and rear heated windscreen, which we do talk about quite often. And then with regards to the interior mirror, you have the normal mirror. Flick this forward and you have the ClearSight rear view mirror. Headroom, legroom, comfortable, quiet, great miles per gallon, and a fantastic amount of specification. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. We do take part exchanges, we do offer finance packages as well. Like I said, the car's under manufacturer's warranty, and this one isn't going to hang around for too long because it looks absolutely stunning. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.